In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Windows Narrator with Microsoft Word. Narrator is a built-in Windows screen reader that reads text and other elements on your screen aloud, making it easier to navigate and work with Word using spoken feedback. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document you want to work with. To turn on Narrator, press the Windows key plus Control plus Enter. Windows Narrator will start and begin reading information from your screen. Once Narrator is enabled, switch back to Microsoft Word. You can use your keyboard to move through different parts of the application, while Narrator announces what you are focusing on. To move through controls and buttons, press the Tab key. Narrator will read the name of each control as you move through it. You can use Shift plus Tab to move backward. To navigate through the document itself, click inside the document or use the appropriate keyboard navigation keys. As you move through the text, Narrator can read the content aloud. You can also use the arrow keys to move through individual characters, lines, or sections of text. Narrator will provide spoken feedback based on your current position. If you want Narrator to read a larger section of the document, use Narrator's reading commands. You can also use keyboard shortcuts to move through words, lines, paragraphs, and other document elements. When working with Word's menus and ribbon, press the Alt key to access the ribbon commands. You can then use the arrow keys and Tab key to navigate through available options while Narrator announces them. For example, you can navigate to the Home tab and access common formatting tools such as font settings, paragraph options, and styles. If you need to select text, use standard Word keyboard shortcuts. You can then use Narrator to hear the selected content and review your changes. Narrator can also announce document formatting and other information depending on your Narrator settings. This can help you understand how text is formatted while editing the document. When you're finished using Narrator, press Windows key plus Control plus Enter again to turn it off. Using Narrator with Microsoft Word can make documents easier to navigate and review using spoken feedback. Once you become familiar with the keyboard shortcuts and navigation commands, you can move through Word more efficiently without relying entirely on the mouse. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,